Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the notification settings button. And here at the top of the page, you will find two features that you can enable to get notified. Friend request and chat messages. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to set notifications for. And once they turn blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.